Part 6, Drum Editing.
Editing.
Alright, simulan natin. Pakinggan muna natin yung recording. Here we go. Okay. Then, sunod na ginagawa ko, papakinggan ko each track. Okay, wala nung pedal noise. Minsan kasi, depende sa pedal, minsan may mga squeaking noise. Okay, moving on. Snare. Pakinggan natin kung may clipping ba or distorted sound. Alright, okay yung snare. Pakinggan natin yung rack tom. Okay, so pakinggan lang natin tong mga hits na to. This part, okay? Okay, that is good. How about this part? Moving on sa floor tom, pakinggan natin tong part na to. How about this part? Okay tayo sa toms. Moving on, overhead. Usually sa overhead, doon mataas yung chance na mainit yung audio na pinasok natin. Kailangan mo talagang pakinggan ng isa-isa each track para hindi ka na nag-e-edit habang nagbe-mix. Sunod na gagawin, i-clean up ko yung part na hindi naman kailangan sa toms. To make a good and clean sound sa drums, yung clarity, we only need this part, yung may mga hits ng toms. Like this, you don't need it. Personal preference. Okay? So, sinosobrahan ko talaga yung cut, hindi dito, kasi para may sustain pa din yung toms. Ang maririnig lang natin from this part until the tom hits ay kick, snare, and overheads. Okay? So, pakinggan natin. Very subtle difference. Pero pag nag-layer ka na ng gitara, ng bass, nag-add ka na ng EQ compression, it will make a difference. Moving on, check natin yung phase. So, let's check the overhead first. Kung nagka-cancel out ba silang dalawa. Pag simula ng waveform and this is down and then goes up, down, goes up, down, down, up, and medyo nagdi-drift. Ayan o. Nagka-cancel out sila. So, pwede kong i-move lang ng konti. Itong part na to. See, move natin ng konti. Diyan. So, for plugins, I use Logic Gain, Mono. Check natin yung phase invert. Pansin nyo, medyo numipis. Medyo manipis yung tunog. Tanggalin ko Yun bumalik yung kick. So, ang tunog dapat niyan, punchy and may low end. Pag kinilik mo yung phase invert at numipis, ibig sabihin nagka-cancel out sila. So, without this plugin, okay yung overheads natin. Now, check natin yung kick. Kita nyo, pataas. At the very beginning, boom. Pataas. Ito pababa. Pwede nating i-move, or what we can do is, we can add gain plugin and then phase invert. Alright, check natin yung snare. Labas natin yung gain plugin, phase invert, and that should fix. Check natin yung toms. See, this is going up, going down, okay. Floor tom naman, baliktad. So, lagay natin yung gain. Okay, pakinggan natin yung toms dito sa part na to. Subtle differences na yon, pag napatong-patong na yon all throughout sa mix mo, it will make a difference. Next thing na we're gonna do is add fade sa mga cuts natin. Alright? Keyboard shortcut T for your tools, and then select natin fade tool. Okay? Fade natin itong beginning and end of the clip. Okay, that should add fades sa lahat ng selected region or clips. So ngayon, next, ang gagawin ko, ipapan ko na. Pansin nyo, merong overhead left and then right. Meaning yung overhead left and right, this is panning ko nung nagre-record ako. And then ito naman yung panning ng audience perspective. So right, ilalagay ko yan ng 40. Ito naman, negative 40. So pakinggan natin dito. So na-mix na natin. Pakinggan natin yung kick at snare. Baba natin yung overhead ng konti. Ngayon na na-mix na natin or na-edit na natin. Na-check na natin na malinis each track. Natanggal na natin yung mga hindi natin kailangan sa toms. Pwede na tayo mag-move
Sa part 7.